If your iPhone shows the message, Guided Access App Unavailable, please contact your administrator, don't worry. Let me show you several ways to fix it. This message usually appears when your iPhone is managed by a school or workplace, when a device management profile is installed, or when guided access isn't configured correctly. Let's start with the easiest fix. Open the Settings app, tap Accessibility, select Guided Access. If guided access is turned on, turn the toggle off. Now, force restart your iPhone. If your iPhone has Face ID, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After your iPhone restarts, go back and check if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the message, try enabling the accessibility shortcut correctly. Open the Settings app, tap Accessibility, select Guided Access. Turn on the Guided Access toggle. Now make sure Accessibility Shortcut is also turned on. Next, tap Accessibility Shortcut, select Guided Access, and leave your other accessibility shortcuts selected if you use them. For example, if you also use Magnifier or VoiceOver, keep those checked too. Now open any app, like the Photos app. Quickly press the side button 3 times. The accessibility shortcut menu appears. From here, you can easily enable or disable guided access whenever you need it. If the problem continues, another method is using Find My. On another Apple device, or by signing in to iCloud, put your iPhone into Lost Mode. After the Lost Mode command is received, unlock your iPhone with your regular passcode. In some cases, this helps break the guided access lock. Next, check if your iPhone has a management profile installed. Open the Settings app, tap General. Select VPN and Device Management. If you see a configuration profile that you no longer need, remove it if you're allowed to do so. Then go back to Accessibility and check Guided Access again. If your iPhone belongs to your school or workplace, you probably won't be able to remove the profile yourself. In that case, contact your school's IT department or your company's administrator. For example, if your school manages your iPad using Microsoft Intune or another mobile device management system, they may have enabled single app mode or other restrictions that prevent guided access from working normally. Only your administrator can change those settings or provide the correct guided access passcode. That's why this message says, "Please contact your administrator." If none of these methods work, let me know your iPhone model, your iOS version, and whether it's a personal, school, or work device. I'll help you troubleshoot the problem. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting videos.